Let's get straight to it. Your Samsung Galaxy Watch might not be charging due to several reasons. These range from simple issues like a dirty charging port or misaligned connection to more complex problems such as software glitches, battery degradation, or even hardware failure. We'll explore these causes and, most importantly, how to fix them. As of early 2026, many charging issues arise from outdated software, user errors, or dust accumulation. Before panicking, try these easy fixes. First, ensure the charging cable and adapter are properly connected and working with another device. Clean the charging pins on both your watch and the charging dock with a soft, dry cloth or isopropyl alcohol. Misalignment is common with wireless charging, so try repositioning the watch on the charging pad. These simple steps resolve over 65% of charging issues. Software glitches are a common cause of charging issues in Galaxy watches. These can prevent the device from recognizing the charger or managing power properly. First, try restarting your watch. Press and hold the power button until the device restarts. This simple step often resolves temporary software glitches that interfere with charging. If restarting doesn't help, try a safe mode reset. This loads the watch with only essential software, helping identify if a third-party app is causing the charging problem. Refer to your manual for the exact button combination. As a last resort, perform a factory reset through the Settings menu. Go to Settings, then General, Reset, and select Factory Reset. This will erase all data and restore the watch to its original state. Make sure to back up your important data first to avoid losing personal information. Don't forget about firmware updates. Updates like One UI Watch 5.5 include built-in diagnostic tools that can identify and sometimes fix charging problems automatically through the Galaxy Wearable app. Lithium-ion batteries in your Samsung Galaxy Watch degrade over time, typically after 500 to 1,000 charge cycles. This natural process reduces the battery's capacity to hold a charge. To check your battery's health, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone. This app provides detailed information about your watch's battery condition. The app rates your battery health as good, fair, or poor. A good rating means the battery is still performing well, while fair or poor indicates significant degradation. If your battery is rated as fair or poor, it may be nearing the end of its useful life. While you can't easily replace the battery yourself, knowing its condition helps you diagnose charging problems and plan for a replacement. Fortunately, newer Galaxy Watch models feature improved battery technology that degrades less quickly over time, providing longer-lasting performance. Hardware problems can cause charging issues in Samsung Galaxy watches. The most common include damaged charging pins, water damage, or internal component failure. For damaged charging pins, carefully inspect them for any signs of corrosion or physical damage. Clean gently if needed, but avoid forcing connections. If you suspect water damage, immediately stop charging and dry the watch thoroughly. Use silica gel or rice to absorb moisture, and wait at least 24 hours before attempting to charge again. For internal component failures, professional repair is usually necessary. If your watch is still under warranty, contact Samsung for service to avoid voiding coverage. Using third-party chargers can damage your Galaxy Watch due to voltage mismatches or poor quality construction. Voltage mismatches between chargers and your watch can lead to overheating, reduced battery life, or even permanent damage. Official Samsung chargers provide the correct 5 volts, while incompatible third-party options might deliver too much power. To ensure safety and proper function, always use the official Samsung charger and cable that comes with your Galaxy Watch. If using a third-party option, choose one that is specifically designed and certified for your Galaxy Watch model to avoid compatibility issues. The Galaxy Watch 5 recall of 2025 demonstrated the importance of using official accessories. Defects in third-party charging docks caused intermittent power loss, affecting many users and requiring free replacements from Samsung. In summary, using official or certified accessories helps prevent charging issues, protects your device's warranty, and ensures long-term reliability for your Galaxy Watch. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your Galaxy Watch still isn't charging, it's time to contact Samsung support or visit an authorized repair center. Check your warranty status. Most Galaxy watches have a warranty period of 1 to 2 years. If the issue is covered, you may be eligible for a free repair or replacement. Looking ahead, Samsung is integrating AI diagnostics to predict charging issues and improve battery longevity with graphene-infused cells. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the charging contacts and avoiding extreme temperatures, can significantly extend your watch's battery life and prevent charging problems. Stay updated with the latest firmware to benefit from software fixes and diagnostic tools. By 2027, experts predict self-healing battery tech will minimize charging woes.